talk to you about a challenge that I gave some people this last week that I would recommend for you. And the challenge is a conversation challenge, okay? So I'm gonna give it to all of you. I'm gonna let you pick one of 3 levels of this challenge, okay? There's a beginner level, there's an intermediate level, and then there's a superhero level. And here's all I want you to do. All business is conversation. We're gonna start conversation. In the conversation, we're gonna work to educate people to what it is that we have so they understand it, okay? That's our job. But step 1 of that job is to make a connection and start a conversation. So what I would like you to do is take your phone, every single person in your phone, start a conversation with them. How you doing? What's going on? What's going on with work? You homeschooling the kids? Everybody healthy? What's happening with your business? And just have a real conversation with a person. It could be text message, it could be phone, it could be social media, it could be any direct message, any different kind of platform is fine. Now, I want your intention to be connection, okay? Your intention to be connection, and through that connection, opportunities will arise where you'll be able to educate that person as to what it is you have. You'll be able to say, have you heard the news? My company is exploding because they help people work from home and earn from home. Our products are just incredible for families around the world. Have you heard? It's incredible. I can share it with you if you'd like. I can give you more information if you'd like. But so that conversation, don't even worry about what am I gonna say, just start a conversation. Say hello, start with hello. How are you doing? Everybody healthy? What's going on? So the beginner challenge is start 100 conversations in the next 7 days. 100, with 100 different people, just say hello, start a conversation, keep the conversation going. Good things are gonna happen. The intermediate challenge is 250. Start 250 conversations with 250 people in the next 7 days. It's about what, 35 a day? And the superhero challenge is 1,000 conversations in the next 7 days. Identify 1,000 people, start a conversation with 1,000 people, keep the conversation going with as many as humanly possible. Start so many conversations that if somebody doesn't get back to you, it doesn't bother you that much, okay? So I want you to pick one. 100, 250, or 1,000, write the one into your notes, circle it, make a commitment that you're gonna do it starting today for the next 7 days. If you're gonna do 1,000 in 7 days, that's about, what, 150 a day? Something like that? Yeah, about 150 a day. You gotta do 150 a day. So you could get to work. You're not doing anything anyway, come on. You're sitting around, pop, 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 pop. Shoot the message, let people know, and I promise you this, good things are gonna happen. You get any resistance, don't even worry about it. Just, connect with them on a personal level and be fine. But just reach out. And we're more connected to our families now than ever. I'm sure you are too. To our friends now than ever, I'm sure you are too. But expand that reach and at least create the opportunity to be able to share good news with people who really need good news.